Google just announced a completely new type of laptop, and it basically makes Chromebooks look like typewriters. Say hello to the Googlebook. At yesterday's Android Show I/O edition, Google unveiled the Googlebook, a premium laptop category built from the ground up around Gemini AI. We're not talking about slapping a chatbot onto a Chromebook. This is a whole new thing. New OS, new features, new hardware partners, and it's clearly aimed right at the MacBook. So here's what makes this different. The Googlebook runs on what's likely Project Aluminum, a merged Android and ChromeOS operating system. That means full Google Play app access, plus a proper desktop browser experience. The wildest feature, something called the magic pointer. You wiggle your cursor over anything on screen, and Gemini jumps in with contextual actions. Hover over a date in an email, it offers to create a calendar event. Select two images, like your living room and a couch you're shopping for, and it'll composite them together instantly. It's like Clippy, except it actually works. You can also create custom AI widgets with text prompts. Think personalized dashboards pulling from Gmail, Calendar, whatever you need. And your Android phone integrates seamlessly. Cast apps to the laptop screen, search phone files from the desktop, no downloads needed. Hardware-wise, Acer, Asus, Dell, HP, and Lenovo are all making Googlebooks, launching this fall. Every unit gets a signature glow bar light strip on the lid. No pricing yet, but Google's saying premium craftsmanship, so expect prices well above typical Chromebook territory. This is Google's most direct shot at Apple's MacBook lineup ever. They're betting that AI integration, not raw specs, is what sells laptops in 2026. But the real question is, do people actually want their cursor to think for them? A third of consumers still say they don't want AI on their devices. Google's gambling they'll change their minds. Google went from here's a cheap browser laptop to here's a laptop that reads your mind. Whether that's exciting or terrifying probably says a lot about you. Drop your take in the comments. Are you buying a Googlebook this fall? Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.